Hi, I'm Steve, a developer on the Python Tools team at Microsoft, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the changes we're making for our next release of Python Tools for Visual Studio. We've always had great Intellisense, but we've been working hard to make it even better. The first thing you'll notice is that lists of possible names will filter as you type. For example, as I type from parse, the possibilities reduce from all of my packages to only those ones that match. Next you'll see that we are not just showing entries that start with parse, but others, similar ones. With the arrow keys I can select opt parse and commit it. This filtering is designed to help you find what you want even if you don't know exactly what it's called. Here I can start typing formatter to see all of the available formatters. Everywhere you see a list of completions, you can search and filter using this smart matching. For example, here I know that I want indented help formatter, so I can type its initials, IHF, to jump straight to it. Because I'm deriving from an existing class, when I type def in the class body, I'll see a list of possible overrides. I can select one of these by typing in abbreviated name and insert a function definition that calls the function on the base class. Advanced Python developers know that every object has special methods whose names begin with a double underscore. However, because these are very rarely used, we don't actually show them until you've typed the first two underscores. We've also made improvements to how we analyze closures and function objects. Here we have a function that returns a lambda with the parameter that was passed. We call it twice with different parameters, and then randomly call one of the two returned lambdas. We can see that each lambda is distinct. One returns int, the other returns float. But because we don't know which of these calls will occur, we assume that result is either an int or a float. Now, integer and float have some common members, but most of their methods are only on one or the other. If you look at the possible completions, we see a full list along with the types that they came from. We can safely use image or real because both integers and floats have these members. Finally, we've always supported go to definition and find all references. But now we also support navigate to. Selecting this command, or by pressing Ctrl and comma, displays a dialog where you can search throughout your project. We use the same search as in the editor, so you only have to type something similar for the correct name to appear. Selecting any item will take you directly to where it's defined, whether it's a class, function, or variable. This was just a quick look at the improvements we've made that are available in our current pre-release. Go to pytools.codeplex.com to download and try it, and also to give us feedback on what will help you be more productive with Python.